Structure of the Earth. The Earth as it is today is just the latest phase in a constant process of evolution which has occurred over the past 4.5 billion years. The Earth's continents are neither fixed nor stable. Over the course of the Earth history, propelled by currents rising from the intense heat as its center. The great plates on which they lie have moved, collided, joined together, and separated. This process continued to mold and transform the surface of the earth, causing earthquakes and volcanic eruptions and creating oceans, mountain ranges, deep ocean trenches, and island chains. The dynamic Earth. The Earth crust is made up of 8 major and several minor, rigid continental and oceanic tectonic plates which fit closely together. The positions of the plates are not static, they are constantly moving relative to one another. The type of movement between plates affects the way in which they alter the structure of the earth. The oldest part of the plates, known as sheets. Plate boundaries. The boundaries between the plates are the areas where most tectonic activity takes place. 3 types of movement occur at plate boundaries. The plates can be either moved toward each other, move apart, or slide past each other. The effect this has on the Earth's structure depends on whether the margin is between 2 continental plates, 2 oceanic plates, or an oceanic and continental plate. Inside the Earth's hot inner core is made up of solid iron, while the outer core is composed of liquid iron and nickel. The mantle nearest the core is viscous, whereas the rocky upper mantle is fairly rigid. The crust is a rocky outer shell of the Earth. Together, the upper mantle and the crust form the lithosphere. Convection currents. Deep within the Earth, at its inner core, temperatures may exceed up to 8,100 Fahrenheit. The heat warms rocks in the mesosphere, which rise through the partial molten mantle, displacing cooler rocks just below the solid crust, which sink and are warmed again by the heat of the mantle. This process is continuous, creating convection currents which form the moving force beneath the Earth's surface.